Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by launching Publisher Rocket and confirming your license so data is accurate. Enter 1 to 3 seed phrases in keyword search. Pick the correct Amazon market and book category because relevance drives results. Once done, click Search to pull metrics like searches /mo and competition. Pay attention to the initial list. This is your starting pool. You want a manageable set of phrases to analyze, not every variant. Focus on buyer intent terms and phrases that match your book's topic. Next, you narrow that pool by sorting and filtering. Sort by Amazon or Google searches to surface high-demand phrases, and then apply filters for competition and monthly volume so you avoid saturated terms. Once applied, examine CPC and AMS bid suggestions to gauge ad viability. Higher bids often mean buyer intent. Also check word count. Longer phrases often convert better. Make sure to mark or export promising keywords. This creates a shortlist you'll test further in ads or book. Finally, refine and validate your choices through testing. Export the shortlist and add top keywords to AMS campaigns and your book's metadata for real-world feedback. Monitor performance for 2 to 4 weeks. Track CTR, conversions, sales, and rank shifts, because data tells you what truly works. If results lag, don't panic. Widen filters, test adjacent niches, or pivot to long-tail phrases with lower competition. One key troubleshooting tip. If impressions are low, confirm marketplace and category selections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.